Lawyer's reaction.
Oh my God, Pablo. Ma'am, I am so sorry. Ma'am, I'm sorry. I was coming.
Every bit of it.
Ma'am, I'm coming over here to apologize to you.
You're nothing but trouble.
Ma'am, I'm coming over here to apologize to you.
Whoa, dirt bike injury. It looks like two dirt bike riders were approaching a nice woman who apparently was a Karen to apologize to her, and they hit each other. And they're injured, and she's yelling at them. She's a real Karen. I don't think they could sue her, and I don't think they could sue each other because they look like they're friends just coming to apologize. Doesn't look like anyone was negligent. I don't think there's a case. Comment below your thoughts and follow.